Hello, friends. Welcome to my channel Take with Ansh. Do you want to run multiple operating systems like Windows, Ubuntu, and Kali Linux on the same computer all at once? And the best part, you can do all this without buying any extra software. Today, we are going to learn about Microsoft HyperV. It's completely free and built right into Windows Pro and Server editions. It's an essential tool for any professional, developer, or cybersecurity enthusiast. In today's video, we will cover what HyperV is, how to enable it on your PC, a live demo of creating a Windows Server 2025 virtual machine, VM, the basics of VM networking. The Google Slides link with all the theory is available right below the video. Make sure you download it. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Let's get started. First, let's understand the theory. This is slide 1, Introduction to Hyper-V. Hyper-V is Microsoft's Type 1 hypervisor. This means it runs directly on the physical hardware. There's no middle operating system or slowing it down. You can run multiple virtual machines, VMs, on a single physical PC, such as Windows 11, Ubuntu, Kali Linux, Windows Server. What are the benefits? Easy testing environment. Resource saving. You don't need multiple physical machines. Great for creating a lab environment. Secure isolation between operating systems. But what do you need to run it? System requirements. One Windows 10, 11 Pro, Enterprise, or 7. 2 A64-bit CPU that supports VHDX, Intel or AMD virtualization. 3 A minimum of 4 gigabytes RAM, 8 gigabytes or more is better. For virtualization must be enabled in the BIOS/UEFI settings. Now for the real fun, let's create a server VM. Step 1. Hyper-V Manager and right-click Host Name and New and Virtual Machine. Now for the real fun, let's create a server VM. Step 1. Hyper-V Manager and right-click Host Name and New and Virtual Machine. Let's give it a name, Server Test VM. Step 2. Specify location. Select a drive. For example, VMs. A separate drive is always better for performance. Click Next. Step 3. Specify generation. Select Generation 2. Gen 2 gives us modern features like UEFI and secure boot, which is better for newer operating systems. Step 4. Assign memory. Set 2048 megabytes, 2 gigabytes, and check the box. Use dynamic memory. Dynamic memory allows RAM to automatically increase or decrease as needed, saving resources. Step 5. Configure networking. Select default switch. This provides automatic internet access similar to a NAT connection. Step 6. Connect virtual hard disk. Set size to 20 gigabytes and select VHDX format. Using a dynamically expanding disk means the file size only grows as the disk is used. We can expand this later. Step 7. Installation options. Select image file, ISO, and browse and select your server ISO. Make sure you have your ISO file downloaded beforehand. Step 8. Finish and the VM will appear in the list. Now, right-click the VM and start and connect. VM boots show all. There, the VM has started. There, the VM has started. You are now ready to install your OS Windows Server, Ubuntu, etc. Show internet in VM. Let's open the browser inside the VM. Yes, the internet is working. There, the VM has started. You are now ready to install your OS Windows Server. Now, two crucial concepts, networking and storage. Networking. Default switch provides internet access via NAT network address translation. The simplest option. External switch connects the VM directly to your physical network LAN plus internet. VMs will get an IP from your physical router. Private switch allows communication only between your VMs. They cannot communicate with your host PC or the internet. Great for isolated testing labs. Storage. VHDX dynamic. The standard. The file only grows as you add data. Supports up to 64 terabytes. Fixed VHDX. Slower to create but offers faster performance because the file size is set from the start. Pass-through disk directly gives the VM access to a physical disk or SSD, bypassing the host's file system. Pro tip: keep your VM files on a separate SSD. This dramatically boosts VM performance. So, friends, today we successfully learned what HyperV is and how to enable it, how to create a live virtual machine, the basics of networking and storage within HyperV. The complete script and all links are in the description below. If you have any questions, drop a comment. I read every single one. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to see more free tech lessons, backhand index, finger pointed right, please click the like button. Backhand index, finger pointed right. Subscribe to Take with Ansh and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.